In cryptocurrency, it's vital to ensure that all transactions are correct to prevent people from spending the same money twice. One of the characteristics of cryptocurrency is decentralization, so you do not need a central authority like a bank, PayPal, or Visa to carry out transactions. That notwithstanding, these transactions still have to be monitored, and to accomplish this, crypto ecosystems use something called a consensus mechanism to prove that transactions carried over the network are legitimate. Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll discuss the proof-of-stake protocol and how it works, and the pros and cons of the protocol. So let's get started. What is proof-of-stake? According to Investopedia.com, proof-of-stake is a cryptocurrency consensus mechanism for processing transactions and creating new blocks in a blockchain. For newbies who are wondering what a consensus mechanism is, Investopedia further explains the term as a method for validating entries into a distributed database. In cryptocurrency, this database is called a blockchain. The information contained in blocks is linked to each other by the history of each block to keep the database secure. How does proof-of-stake work? With proof-of-stake, the goal is to maximize speed and efficiency while lowering fees. The consensus protocol makes use of randomly selected miners to validate transactions rather than using a competition-based mechanism like proof-of-work. With proof-of-stake, crypto owners validate block transactions based on the number of coins a validator decides to stake. So it's like this. Proof-of-stake blockchains employ a network of validators who contribute or stake their crypto in exchange for a chance to validate a new transaction and collect a reward. The network selects a winner, who in turn validates the transaction. Once the winner validates the latest block of transactions, other validators can verify and attest that it's accurate. After reaching a threshold of attestation, the network updates the blockchain, and all participating validators receive a reward in the native cryptocurrency. This reward gets allocated by the network in proportion to each validator's stake. The winner is selected based on the amount of crypto each validator has in the pool and how long they've had it in there, literally rewarding the most invested participants, but it comes at a cost. As a validator, you lose some of your stakes via a process called slashing if their nodes go offline or if they validate a bad block of transactions. Pros and cons of proof-of-stake. We'll now do a quick rundown of some of the merits and demerits of proof-of-stake. We'll start with the pros. 1. Proof-of-stake encourages scalability and security of the blockchain network, thereby enhancing decentralization. 2. It's more energy efficient compared to proof-of-work. 3. Proof-of-stake does not require expensive hardware equipment, so anyone can participate in staking to be a validator. 4. It increases crypto requests on the blockchain because owners want to hold on to their crypto to be able to stake more coins. Also, rewards gotten from staking can be stored or used in DeFi, decentralized finance applications. 5. Reduced gas fees as the validation process in proof-of-stake protocol is faster. 6. No specialized experience is required to participate in the staking process, but stakes should have some technical knowledge. Now let's see some disadvantages. Here are some of the cons of proof-of-stake. 1. Once you stake a coin, it's no longer available for use in your wallet. You can't sell or exchange it until the staking period is over. 2. The proof-of-stake protocol is still relatively new, and its security is not as proven as the proof-of-work protocol, which has been around for almost a decade. 3. Staking rewards are not as high as mining rewards. 4. Users with a large number of coins can influence the outcome of the consensus process. Some examples of cryptocurrencies. The first functioning use of proof-of-stake for cryptocurrency was Peercoin in 2012. The protocol mechanism's popularity is steadily increasing, with about 80 cryptocurrencies already using the protocol. Some well-known names like Cardano, Tezos, Cosmos, EOS, Lisk, and Atmos all use proof-of-stake consensus mechanisms. Ethereum recently switched from using the proof-of-work protocol method of validating transactions to proof-of-stake. Of the three largest cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, only Ethereum has made moves to switch to this protocol. Ethereum started as a proof-of-work blockchain, and just like Bitcoin, the system requires miners. But the developers of Ethereum soon realized that the protocol did not make room for scalability combined with the massive energy consumption that goes into mining. So, in 2015, the network forced their migration to the more scalable and energy-efficient proof-of-stake. Finally, even though the proof-of-stake protocol is still somewhat new, it shows great potential. Not only does it reduce gas fees because transactions are validated faster, but it also reduces energy demands and gives access to everyday people to participate as validators. The proof-of-stake consensus protocol is attractive enough to bring it into the spotlight for blockchain security. That's it for today's video. Remember that nothing said in this video is in any way financial advice. If you're looking to get into crypto, please seek the advice of a professional or do your research to be safe. What was your favorite part of this video? Share with us in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more content. See you soon!